Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now today I'm going to show you a quick fix cabbage saute that I absolutely love. It takes 10 minutes to do. It makes brilliant use of cabbage and I love it alongside so many different things. So if you like the sound of that, please don't forget to hit subscribe so you can follow my work and support it and never miss a post. Let's go. Tender cabbage works best for this. I've cored a sweetheart cabbage here and then shredded it finely. Warm some neutral oil and then temper about half a teaspoon each of cumin seeds, mustard seeds, and pop the washed cabbage in. Adding a teaspoon of turmeric, chili powder, then mixing that nicely through the cabbage until it softens. Season this well with some salt and then squirt the juice of half a lemon onto it. I like to turn the heat off at this stage because you don't want to kill all that amazing vitamin C. Look at all that gorgeousness. Top with some fresh coriander. I know some of you think it tastes like soap, but I love it. This is great just tucked into some flatbreads or served alongside meats. And of course, spooned onto your thali. Let's have a quick bite of this to see how it's come out. The spices have worked beautifully to lift that cabbage. It's so fresh and Moorish. Guys, if you enjoyed this, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It would really support my work and I hope to see you again soon for another recipe.